Hello guys, I gave an interview in Infosys and the company location is Bangalore and the interview date was the November 26, 2024. So they asked me, so this interview was based on the Apache Solar, that is a search platform. Okay, so they asked me explain the solar architecture and how does it handle distributed search and indexing. So Apache Solar is a distributed scalable search engine built on Apache Lucene, and its architectures consist of Solar Core, Solar Cloud, collections, zookeepers, etc. So what is the Solar Core? So logical indexes within a Solar instance. So Solar Core is logical indexes within a Solar instance. Solar Cloud, a distributed environment where collection are logically grouping of documents. So each collection is split into shards. We called it shards. Okay. So each shards has one leader and multiple replicas. So zookeeper, central to cluster coordination, leader election and config distribution. So Solar uses sharding to divide large data sets and replication to ensure high availability. So in distributed search, the query is sent to a coordinating node. It fans out the request to all relevant shard leaders and responses are merged and sorted before returning. So what are the differences between the Solar and Elasticsearch? When would you choose one over the other? So feature Solar, Elasticsearch. So indexing engine, Apache Lucene. Okay. In the case of the Solar indexing engine, Apache Lucene. In Elasticsearch also, Apache Lucene. Second, data model. So Solar has schema based and Elasticsearch has schema less, more dynamic. Query language, Solar rich via HTTP and XML JSON. In Elasticsearch, JSON DSL. Deployment, Solar Cloud plus zookeeper. Elasticsearch built-in cluster management. Feature, aggregation, Solar basic facades, Elasticsearch advanced aggregations. Feature, real-time indexing, Solar real-time, near real-time, Elasticsearch real-time. Use case, in the case of the Solar, enterprise search, complex text analysis. In the case of the Elasticsearch, real-time analytics, logging, ELK stack. So when should you choose Solar? When you need the complex faceting, you prefer a well-controlled schema, you are building enterprise-grade search with the tight relevance tuning. Choose Elasticsearch when you need fast analytics, that is logs, metrics. Your model is flexible and fast evolving. Third question, what is a Solar core versus a collection versus shard or replicas? So core, a single index and its configuration in Solar instance used in standalone mode. Collection, a logical index in Solar Cloud that can span multiple shards and nodes. Shards, a piece of a collection. Each shard holds a subset of the data. And replica, a copy of a shards. One replica is the leader, other follows. For example, you have a products collection with two shards and two replicas. So shard 1, replica A, leader, replica B. Shard 2, replica C, leader and replica D. So another question they asked me, how does the Solar Cloud work and how it is different from the standalone mode? So Solar cloud is a distributed architecture using the Zookeeper for coordination. So supports automatic sharding, replication, failover, and leader elections. So config and schema are stored in Zookeeper centralized config store. So horizontal scalability, add nodes as needed. So standalone mode, single node or manually managed multi-core setup, no automatic failover or sharding, good for simpler or non-critical use cases. Key difference, Solar Cloud provides distributed search with high availability. Standalone is suitable for simple local use cases. So how do you design an optimal schema for a high volume e-commerce platform with frequent updates? So steps, define required fields, product ID, name, category, price, stock, etc. Use doc values for fields used in sorting, formatting, or grouping. Use stored false for fields not needed in result to reduce the index size. Dynamic fields for custom tags or attributes. Use copy field to populate text for general search. Enable multi-value true for fields like the category or tags. Use fields type carefully. Example text in string int date. Avoid excessive nesting. Solar has a limited support for child document. Plan for soft commits for fast visibility and hard commits for durability. And optimize for real-time index if updates are frequent. So this was the very short interview in a company, Infosys, and the company location is Bangalore, and the interview date was November 26, 2024. So I will share more interview question with you. Till then, bye.